Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, everyone. Hopefully, you all will be safe and sound. Today, I am going to discuss the first term syllabus. In previous video, I have taught you different copy maintenance rules, and in this video, we will discuss only syllabus and how you can write the syllabus on your copies. So, let's start our work. Dear students, if you open your SST books, on the first page of your SST books you can see the contents, okay, and you have 12 contents on the first page of your SST book, and the first 6 units lessons are included in our first term syllabus. Now checked number of lessons. Our first lesson, that is my extended family. Number 2, health and hygiene. Number 3, school makes us better. Number 4, caring for safety. Number 5, good citizen. And number 6, our identities. These 6 units are included in our first term syllabus. And now come to move towards the copy work. First, you will mention the date and day. In the first line of your copy, you will write the first term syllabus for class 2. Subject SST contents. You will write like this: my extended family. Number 2, health and hygiene. Number 3, school makes us better. Number 4, caring for safety. If you turn the page, number 5 you will write on the next page good citizen. And number 6 and the last lesson, that is our identities. Write it neatly on your copies and double underline every chapter name, and in the end you will draw the ending and finishing line. Okay, on the next in the next video we will start our reading, so be prepared, and till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.